Tiga niko bono hegati yabarai kurwa sorongo rwa gusi bagandreta gwesokia na kugikiria hebikore bya Abasae Gotumekwa Bobe elio KORENTA CHIBURABURU hase egati yemesangerekano okwana no yokoriye kergo kebo governor me county ya Kisii mwaziri mukuru w'echisemi Machugu mwanasiasa Umengo Magara hamwe no mwakili Cliff Ombeta niko bono bagandria serikali gotingia oborendi hase kira omukenya
Tegetokoba tebya abantu baitu bagusimba roche ubuchambashi bwasoire kerase abana baitu bagutumika senjerembe kuna mangana abakisu keumbu bajikurwania bande mpaka ekareta maafa ekareta makweri yoyo muito ukuru kwa Vincent Osiemo mapinduzi alina mangana tabone tekokorekana kiagara wanya tokuri gitukura wanya tokuri oborai igaturi asenjera y'ubororo asenjera y'amashikani tari enjera yo goiterania manyinga mutu asente mpaka bono igo bali bakorete kitendeke egento byo gukumingeri ngambara bwatu mpaka bono tokubulinga eserikali ira atua abantu abo bwatu bayirukoti tuwe asepati ya Jubilee towe gene tomorembe naende tokegena nge serikali erone bwana tego provide security asekero mwananchi asekero yo muito lakini bono aseikerete serikali yanse korekananga egekungana pamoja na bali bibago naende ganderera igo bono gotanga kero umuntu erigeri security yae igiye kujikoreta toto kyo sikiagera eguikeke gwangekyo n'abantu guitana kinungu abantu guitana emioro abu asetute bwana tiguika togendete kuburia serikali nga tabatari Tiga Abasae bakore gasi yabiru bwenerete gucunga maisha y'abantu kiagara tugutiga enamune yega nderete nga abantu bagusaga no mugaso igoro ibono ntoto ni security au wananchi bagujikurwa n'abanyana asabanya
atuulizi kukupembeleza. It is our right, imeweka katika katiba yetu, lazima kila mtu apate haki yake. Haki ya mwingine inaisha pale yangu inaanzia. Na serikali inapoangalia mambo yakitendeka namna hii ni kama kucheza na moto. Na sijui kwa nini na hii maneno yote is we say the buck stops with the head of state, Honorable Dr. William Samoei, a man who has gone to school. He knows what is right to do. He wrote on a promise of not using state organs and to punch people. Lakini ameenda akaona kwamba umekuwa utamu kugandamiza watu. And I'm telling them, if there is no pressure, no intimidation, nothing can stop an idea whose time has come. Kenyans have suffered sufficiently, and I want to remind all of Samoei Ruto, there's been a canon of Hague. Hague is not closed. We never signed off the Hague Statute. This thing is like playing with fire.
Why? Because they're being protected by the same system that we expect to protect everyone. You saw what happened to Ososi in Kisumu. You saw what happened to the Mapinduzi in Kiambu. You saw what happened to the security team for the governor for what is his name? Kangata. This is what is happening. You are seeing what is happening even in Bonchari right now. You can see what is happening all over. All those people, the moment they are arrested, what happens? They come out, they are bailed out. Why? Because the system is not being strict on people who are pro-government. If this is what is going to go on, remember one thing, that anybody who is in power and using this system to protect himself and insulate himself and to harm other people, when you are out of that place, when you are out of that power, do you expect